We're in Botswana, and that means two things: a typical African landscape and a friendly African atmosphere. Here, life is as relaxing as possible, and the setting is as beautiful as it gets. We've been invited by a tourism company called And Beyond, formerly known as CC Africa. They specialize in African and safari tours. In this report, we explore various career opportunities that the tourism industry has to offer. In the hospitality field, And Beyond serves as a leading example in superior guest service. They pride themselves on the high quality of their staff, who delight guests. The company is renowned for having some of the continent's most highly trained and knowledgeable guides on their team. Their staff complement is comprised of skilled rangers, trackers, and naturalists, all of whom are passionate and professional. Our guide Dux is one of them.
It's a conservation company where we practice living with animals without any conflict. It's care of the animal, care of the land that we work in, and also care of the people.
According to manager Damari Duploy, the love of teaching and sharing knowledge is a core value of the company.
Company, we won't try and keep someone in the same position forever, so we will keep on motivating them in terms of, scullery now, you can become a chef and then maybe head chef in maybe 6 years' time from now. For instance, trackers, they can build themselves up to guides, head guide of course after that, and we've had head guides, become, Grant has become a lodge manager, and now, from that we're going forward. So there's always ways to build yourself up.
And Beyond gives all their staff a chance to develop their potential. Assistant manager Goffer is a living example.
I did my certificate in hotel and catering management. Then after that I worked in Maun as the bar restaurant supervisor. From there was one of the managers that recruited me. Then I went to Sandibe. That's where I started as the stock controller. From being a stock controller as the operation manager to the assistant manager. So now I'm the assistant manager. What I'm doing at the moment is I'm dealing mostly with the guests, welcoming them and checking them out, and with the staff as well. Any staff complaints, I have to deal with that. This is what I wanted, because I did my certificate in hotel and catering, but for that certificate, nobody can believe that now I'm the assistant manager. I'm very happy about that.
I think we're gaining such good experience with the company because they're leading us in the right direction in terms of how do you control your finances, how do you budget to plan how much you're going to use, also the ratio between your discretionary percentage of spending to your turnover. So I think at the end of the day, once you have to start your own business, of course where you get the finances from, you'll work that out yourself, but in terms of running the business and how quickly you'll start making a profit, if it's successful, is quite clear, and you can work that out very easily once you run one of these lodges, because it's a little business.